This new building is the future of construction in New York. It's called Vita over in Hudson Yards, and it's built by Passive House standards. If you're not familiar, here's some more information. Essentially, it's very eco-friendly and massively reduces energy consumption. This is going to be New York City's largest Passive House project, and the apartments here are actually pretty stunning. I love the finishes they have in the kitchen and the bathroom, and I like that a lot of the apartments here do have extra outdoor space. For Hudson Yards, which is the neighborhood, I don't really love. I like the location because it's on 9th Ave and you're not isolated from the rest of the city. Pretty cool. Being that it's built by Passive House standards and it's in Hudson Yards, I think this building will perform well. There are some units available, so if you're interested and want more information, reach out.